everyone, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to bring you part 3 of the Build a Tray series, Tier Tray series. I absolutely love everything that turned out on it back there, and I must say this is my favorite DIY throughout this whole project, and I will insert a picture to just show how I used them a couple of times, but I love it. Anyways, I hope everybody's staying safe and take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. So I use these jumbo craft sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just cutting off the one corner there, or you can cut off both ends, and I just want it to be able to sit easy. Plus it adds a little decorative piece to it, so I really like that how that turned out. And I did sand any rough spots first, but I didn't show that in the video. And then I did just stain them. I'm just showing how I made the one, and I did stain them with these new gel stains that I got from the, I think it was Dollar Way in my area here. So, and I'm just using a dry rag just to keep most of the color on there, and just getting it all stained up. These turned out so pretty. I absolutely love them. I definitely will be making more in the future. And with all my crafts, I try to cover each and every corner of anything that I'm painting or staining. Usually I will do the back, sometimes not the bottom, but I definitely try to get all the sides and the back. It's just the way I roll. And that's what I'm doing here, just making sure the whole thing is covered. It doesn't take long at all to put these together. They were actually very addicting. I'm surprised I only made 4, but I had so many projects on the go, so I just wanted to kind of move on to the next project. But they took little time at all to make these. And these are the letters that I'll be using. I did get these from the Dollarama here. And what I'm doing here is I'm just taping down some upside down tape so that the letters will stick to it, and it makes painting them a lot easier and cleaner. It's not as big a mess. So I'm just using the darker color of the gel stains. I had maple, oak, and there's one other one, walnut. And that's what I'm using right now. See how fast you can get them together when they all stay put instead of picking them up and trying to hold each one individually. It's such a nicer way to do these. And again, I'm just using a dry rag just to get the stain rubbed in there really well. And next we will be gluing these letters onto the stick here. I'm just making sure they all gonna fit, or where I want to place them, because I did that all beforehand just to make sure I could spell out the whole the whole world. So they do all fit, so I'm going to start gluing on my letters. And I love using this 3-in-1 beacon glue. It's so good. It's my go-to glue all the time. Well, not all the time, because you need different glue for different projects. And you're just going to go ahead and glue on all the letters, whatever word. I use blessing, falling leaves, welcome. I can't recall the other one I used, but we will see it shortly. almost done with the letters. And when I was done gluing these, I felt like it needed just a little more pizzazz. So I ended up digging out my little berry garland that I got from the dollar store and glued that all around it. Looks so nice. And you don't have to put this on the back too. It was just the way I did it. I chose to do it. You can just cut pieces off and just glue it on the front like it's being wrapped around. But I chose to wrap the whole garland all the way down to the bottom. And I'm just making sure it stays there because it is very bendy and it will move. And we're almost done here. And I'm just getting it glued down on the bottom. And I thought it needed one extra added touch. It's this flower. And these are so great if you're going to put together a fall gift basket or any other kind of piece of decor that you're using. It makes a great addition. Thankful, that was the other word I used. And I used a different font for these ones. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. Love to have you here. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.